Hey everyone, it's Tracy here, and today I have a little different video. My video is an unboxing of something that goes along with planning, and when we are planning for our walk with God, sometimes we enjoy just having some different things that create some beauty in our notebook or our journal, or just enjoy putting some stickers in or some stuff like that. So today I am unboxing Q3, the June box from Archer and Olive. I've never had a box from them. I've had notebooks and I love their notebooks. So I thought this would be fun for us to unbox together. Okay, so this again is a box from Archer and Olive. It is the June box. So let's take a peek at what's inside. And I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time. I'm just going to go through and show you what's in there. And then as I'm going through my Bible study planning, I will show you how I incorporate them. The one reason that I got it is because I adore bees. I think they're one of the most important things on this earth. I love doing pollinator garden and I love my bees. And so this was the theme, a beekeeper's garden, and so that fit right in with me. This card just tells you what's in the box. Next is just a box that when we open, okay, nice. It actually has the stamp pad with it, which is nice. I don't have a stamp pad. It has the block and it has an alphabet, numbers, days of the week, and some symbols. Let's see. Here is an envelope. Let's see what's in that. Oh, how pretty. It's called a pen. It's a pen pouch. And you could put your pens down in it and then wrap it around your book. Love it. Next is some stickers, 4 sheets. These are just pretty. Love the flowers. I think this is what I saw that first caught my eye and thought, oh, yep, I gotta have that. Oh, there's some bees. So 2 sheets of each one. Perfect. All right, next, just what I need, some more writing utensils, but that's okay. Chisel and fine liner, duograph, water-based pens. There are the colors. I'm not going to pull them out, but there are the colors. Maybe I will use them so you can see me using them. By the way, this cost, I think, $79 if you subscribe. Washi tape, okay? Beautiful purple flowers. Some blue and purple. I don't know what that flower is called, but it's beautiful. Love flowers. A thinner sunflower-ish. And then finally, just a gold washi tape. These boxes have a wrap on them, so give me just a minute. This feels like a notebook. There looks like there's 3 hard items in there. I'm pretty impressed, I will say. I've always wanted one of these boxes and thought that they were expensive. And I thought, well, when I saw this one, I was like, okay, I have to have that one. But for what's in this box, for $79 plus the shipping, and you do have to pay shipping, which I'm fine with, $90 total, I think. I'm pretty impressed. One of their notebooks is like $45, and I think there's like 3 in here. So let's take a peek at this first one. Oh, beautiful. Fabric kind of feel. Love the bee theme. Pin loop. Purple pages. Wow, I love it. Dot grid. Bees all inside. Gold embossed bees. And 2 ribbons. And they always have the charm on the end, which I like. Beautiful. Another box, which also feels like the weight of possibly a notebook. Flowers and bees. Oh, I just love their packaging too. If you are a box person, I'm sure that you can find something to do with these boxes. A purple notebook. All right, so purple notebook with a beautiful bee on it. I don't know the sizes of notebooks that well. White dot grid, 2 ribbons, pin loop. So I don't know them exactly as well as I should, but there you have it. And then there's one more item in the box, pretty large. I think this is a notebook as well. Wow, it's a Dowsa. I just love the boxes. I'm not a big box person, but I know someone who is, and they will probably get the boxes. Oh, this is just perfect. A small clipboard. There you go. Beautiful flowers with bees. When you open it, it has a pocket and it has a notepad. I love it. This, I mean, I didn't know they even sold stuff like that. This is just beautiful, beautiful band. This box has really impressed me. I was very unsure, having spent that much money, if I would be okay with everything. And I knew I loved the theme, so I didn't think I was going wrong. But this is amazing. So one more time. So a clipboard with paper inside, a larger size dot grid with purple paper, a smaller, and y'all know the sizes of these, I don't, with just white paper, the pins, which I'm not going to open now, the washi tape, 4 sticker sheets, 2 of each kind, the pen loop holder, so it goes on your notebook and you put your pens in there. Of course, the card telling you all the things in there. Finally, the stamp, so stamp with a plate and the ink. This is beautiful. It's amazing for the value, in my opinion. I love what was included. I'm so happy that I got it. And of course, I love the theme. So if you're interested, I've linked a link to them in the description. Please go check out their stuff. It is of great quality. It is, you're paying for it, and it's worth, to me, every penny that you pay, but it's always beautiful. So I hope you've enjoyed this, and now we'll use it in our planning as we plan our walk with God.